Assalamu alaikum, this is Alvina Farooq and I'm proudly serving as a Youth Leadership Ambassador at Pak Watan Havelia. And I've recently graduated from Ahmedabad University of Science and Technology with my Bachelor's in English Language and Literature. And I proudly call myself a young linguist, a researcher and a climate and a social activist working for the youth empowerment. And I can proudly say that to acknowledge my services for the youth advocacy and youth leadership, I was recently awarded with the National Youth Heroes Award by the worthy Prime Minister of Pakistan, Mia Shehbaz Sharif, and the Chief of Army Staff, General Asif Munir. And I'm truly excited to share the journey and the projects that we are working on in the Pak Watan School and College of Sciences, Havelia. So we are currently working on different projects. One such project is our upcoming seminar on career counseling and career guidance on 1st of May 2025 on Thursday, and we are also working on different projects in which we will be collaborating with different private and the public sector institutions so that our words can reach a wider audience and so we can create a real impact in the society. And most importantly, I'm really thrilled to share that we are also trying to have Prime Minister Youth Program on board with us to work for the real betterment of our younger generations. While I was applying for the job at this prestigious institution, there were so many reasons that actually attracted me and grabbed my attention to apply here and choose this institute over other institutes. And the one such thing was their key motives that they are working on. And among those motives, the two important motives that actually grabbed my attention were, the first one was their motive to generate honest individuals, and by breaking and challenging the existing norms of cheating and academic dishonesty that sadly exist in our society. And their second and the most important key motive that actually attracted me is their mission to generate independent and the confident individuals so that they won't have to beg for the jobs and beg for money in future. Instead, they'll be the jobs and the opportunities creators, not the seekers, not just for themselves but for the future generations and for the others as well. And I guess these are actually the reasons why I chose Pak Watan over other institutions, because I believe it's different. It's different because it dares to stand and speak where others choose to stay silent, and it dares to nurture the soul of their students, not just letting them chase the marks and letting them chase the numbers, because numbers are nothing. And most importantly, this institute dares to bring the real transformation in the society. And for all this, I must appreciate the person behind all this and the person who is putting in so much efforts to lead this institute and to bring the positive social impact and the positive social change in this society, especially considering the socio-cultural constraints that this society faces and that this individual has to face. And this individual is none other than our worthy Managing Director, Mr. Sardar Muhammad Aqil, and I must appreciate the efforts and the vision that he has for his institution. His efforts are truly commendable, I must say. And and before wrapping up the discussion, I really want to address all the educationists and all the individuals who are watching me today. Please, it's a humble request, please stand up today and join hands in making a real shift in the society, because I believe that teamwork makes the dream work possible. A single individual or a single institution can never bring the change, but when we work in collaboration, we can actually bring the positive shift in the society. And today, let's pledge to challenge the existing outdated norms like marks are everything. Let your students believe that no, marks are nothing. Let your students believe chase their dreams, not just marks. Let them discover the purpose of their lives so they can actually illuminate the world with their spark in future, inshallah. So let's pledge together to write a new story for Pakistan where the youth will lead and youth will be the key role models for the future generations. And because at Pak Watan, we not just dream of change, we actually work for the change. And thank you so much. Pakistan Zindabad, Pak Watan Paindabad.